It's time for another Rustic Eats recipe where I cook or bake something delicious from one of the countries our students visit. Hello, I'm Jeanette at Rustic, and today I'm going to be making Krapao Gai, aka Thai basil chicken. But before I get into the recipe, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Krapao Gai is a favorite amongst our rustic travelers, and it's a spicy basil chicken, which you can find on every street corner, airport, and every home in Thailand. When in doubt, order the Krapao Gai. Let's get to it. I have the ingredients and measurements in the video description for you. Now, one thing I did different was to use chicken thighs instead of breast, and also I couldn't find any Thai basil because I live in the mountains and our local grocer doesn't have a wide variety of stuff, so I'm using some regular basil. And you'll also need a wok and the patience of a kindergarten teacher because finely mincing the garlic and Thai chilies is a bad customer. It's seriously my least favorite thing in the world to do. Start off by getting the wok hot and adding 1 tablespoon of oil, and once the oil is hot, toss in the minced garlic and chilies. Stir fry them for about 20 seconds or so until they get fragrant, but don't let them burn or dry out. I also wanted to mention that I only used 2 Thai chilies instead of 4, just because I didn't want it too spicy, because not everyone in my family likes the spice. Now I'm plopping in the chicken so very gracefully, and I'm going to stir this up, stirring up the drama here and making sure that the garlic, the chilies, and the chicken are mixed thoroughly. The chicken should take anywhere from 3 to 15 minutes to cook, depending on whether you use chicken breast or thighs and how big the pieces are. It's time to get saucy, so I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of light soy sauce, which ended up being 1 teaspoon because my hand slipped, and half a teaspoon of sugar. And you can adjust this to keep your taste buds happy, so if you need more or less of these things, feel free to make those changes. The next thing I'm going to do is add the handful of basil. Now, you only want to cook this for about 5 seconds and then pull the chicken from the heat. So I'm going to be taking it out of the wok and putting it into a glass dish. You definitely don't want to overcook the basil. You can serve the Krapao Gai with rice or an egg, or both I guess would be good as well, but I'm gonna go for a runny egg, which, surprise, I'm also sensitive to, but I'm only having a bite, so I should be okay. Moment of truth, here we go. So it's got a bit of a sweetness to it, and honestly it needs a little bit more soy sauce, but it's absolutely delicious and I can't wait to have it with rice. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you've tried Krapao Gai before, maybe you tried it on one of our Thailand travel programs, let us know in the comments. We absolutely love hearing from you.